फार्माकोथेराप्यूटिक्स। इसमें हम लोग पढ़ेंगे इंट्रोडक्शन, स्कोप एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव के बारे में। द टर्म फार्माकोथेराप्यूटिक्स कैन बी स्प्लिट एज फार्माकॉन प्लस therapeutics. Pharmacon means drug or poison in Greek word, and here it stands for drug. The drug is substance used for diagnosis, prevention, and treatment of disease. Therapeutics is a branch of medicine that deals with treatment of disease. So, pharmacotherapeutics is the treatment of disease with drugs. The pharmacotherapeutics, short form PT, is a branch of pharmacology and it involves the application of pharmacological information together with the knowledge of the disease for its prevention, mitigation, or cure. Selection of the most appropriate drug dosage and duration of treatment, considering the specific features of a patient, are a part of PT. The term pharmacology refers to the study of action of drugs. For a drug to be effective in a disease, it must dissolve in the body fluids, get absorbed, must reach its site of action, and then produce its effect. After producing the effect, the drug gets eliminated from the body. Pharmacotherapeutics, the correlate pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics with the microbiologic and biological and biochemical basis of the disease. Pharmacokinetic is the study of absorption, distribution, metabolism, and elimination of drug. Pharmacodynamics is the study of biological effects of drugs. Clinical pharmacology is the division of pharmacology that deals with the pharmacological effects of drugs in human. As pharmacotherapeutics deals with the use of drugs, it is very essential to have the knowledge about the sources of drug. The sources of drug क्या है हम लोग वो जानेंगे. Drugs are obtained from various sources as follows. Plants. Plants से क्या आता है? Atropine, Taxol. Animal से क्या आता है? Hormones like insulin, heparin. Microorganism से antibiotic obtain करते हैं. Minerals में क्या आता है? Liquid paraffin, chemical synthesis. Aspirin, antibacterial agents. ड्रग का कैटेगरी क्या होता है? ड्रग कैटेगरी में बी डिवाइडेड इनटू टू कैटेगरीज, नेमली नॉन प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ड्रग, ओटीसी ड्रग्स एंड प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ड्रग. नॉन प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ड्रग may be sold over the counter, OTC, without the medical supervision. प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ड्रग क्या होता है? There are dispensed only a physician's prescription. Their use is considered as safe only under medical supervision. While prescribing the drug, the following steps have to be considered. Pharmacotherapeutics step. इसमें कौन कौन से स्टेप है वो देखते हैं. Based on the condition of the patient, the steps given below are followed. पेशेंट के कंडीशन के हिसाब से जो स्टेप्स दिए हुए हैं पहले वो देखते हैं. डायग्नोज द पेशेंट्स प्रॉब्लम और डिजीज़. पेशेंट को क्या दिक्कत है पहले वो समझेंगे. चूज़ द अप्रोप्रिएट ड्रग्स बेस्ड ऑन करेंट प्रैक्टिस एंड एविडेंस बेस्ड रिसर्च. चेक द करेक्टनेस ऑफ द ट्रीटमेंट एंड बिगिन द ट्रीटमेंट. प्रोवाइड इंफॉर्मेशन टू द पेशेंट अबाउट द ड्रग, इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर यूज एंड प्रिकॉशंस इफ एनी. Assess the treatment, continue, modify or stop if needed. Pharmacotherapy encompasses different types of therapy which are given below. Acute therapy. This type of therapy is indicated for acute and sudden illness. Treatment is very severe and may involve many drugs. Example, epinephrine for anaphylaxis. Chronic long-term maintenance therapy. Patients with chronic illness have to be treated for long periods to control the symptoms. Example, patients with diabetes are treated for their lifetime. Replacement therapy. This type replaces some hormones, vitamins, or some minerals that are absent or deficient in the body. Example, hormone replacement therapy. Palliative therapy. This therapy often provides comfort rather than cure. It is used in the late stages of disease like cancer. Supportive therapy. This type supports the patient to maintain body functions while he/she recovers. Prophylactic therapy. This type is meant to prevent a disease before it occurs rather than to treat an existing disease. Example, vaccines to prevent an infectious disease. Empiric therapy. This therapy is based on the probability that a disease exists without waiting for the confirming laboratory results or data. For example, a patient reports severe infection and there is no time to identify the causative microorganism. As the symptoms are severe in this situation, the physicians treats with antibiotic before the culture test can confirm the causative microorganism.